Hi everyone, this is your grade 6 history, our past 1, chapter 3 in the earliest cities, video 1. The first topic is the story of Harappa. Very often, old buildings have a story to tell. Nearly 150 years ago, when railway lines were being laid down for the first time in the Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa in present-day Pakistan. To them, it seemed like a mound that was a rich source of ready-made, high-quality bricks. It is nothing but mound is nothing but a high-quality bricks. Okay. So they carried off thousands of bricks from the walls of the old buildings of the city to build railway lines. Many buildings were completely destroyed. Children, we have already learned in grade 5 that we should not take away the stones for construction work of the monuments. It is actually our duty to protect all those monuments from being destroyed. Okay. Then, about 80 years ago, archaeologists found the site and realized that this was one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent. As this was the first city to be discovered, all other sites from where similar buildings were found were destroyed as Harappan. These cities developed about 4,700 years ago. How many years ago? 4,700 years. Very often, old buildings are pulled down to make way for new construction. Do you think it is important to preserve old buildings? Yes, it is must. It is our duty to prevent the old buildings. Yes, old monuments, everything. City layout. Many of these cities were divided into two or more parts. Usually, the parts to the west was smaller but higher. Archaeologists describe this as citadel. This as citadel. What is citadel? It is actually the upper part of the city where during emergency time we can take grains and we can stay over there. Yes? Yes. Generally the part to the east was larger but lower. This is called the lower town. Very often, walls of baked brick were built around each part. The bricks were so well baked that they have lasted for thousands of years. The bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern and that made the walls very strong. In some cities, special buildings were constructed on the citadel. For example, in Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank in which archaeologists call the Great Bath. Yes, we have read the same thing. We have read the same thing in grade 5, right? Was built in this area. This was lined with bricks, coated with plaster, and made watertight with a layer of natural tar. There were steps leading down to it from two sides, while there was rooms on all the sides. Okay, water was probably brought in from a well and drained out after use. Perhaps important people took a dip in this tank on special occasions. Other cities such as Kalibangan and Lothal had fire altars where sacrifices may have been performed, and some cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal had elaborate storehouses. Storehouses like Citadel. Citadel have some granaries. Okay. The next topic is houses, drains and streets. So children, if you want to see the picture of the Great Bath, you can see it in page number, wait a minute, 26 in your history content book. Okay. The same thing we have read in 5th standard, children. Great public bath where people can take bath during any festival times or anything else. Okay. One or two stories. Generally, houses were either one or two stories high, with rooms built around a courtyard. Most of the houses had a separate bathing area and some had wells to supply water. Many of the cities had covered drains. Why on those days drains were covered? Just to protect the people from mosquitoes and all those insects. Okay. Notice how carefully these were laid out in straight lines. Although you cannot see it, each drain had a gentle lobe so that the water could flow through it. Yes, children, house drains will join the main drains. The main drains will be disposed somewhere else. Okay. Very often drains in house were connected to those on the streets and smaller drains led to bigger ones. As house drains to main drains. As the drains were covered, inspection holes were provided at intervals to clean them. All three houses, drains and streets were probably planned and built at the same time. They people were very good in planning. Okay. Okay, questions for the session. First question. Name the first city to be discovered by the archaeologist. What is a mound? Which is called Lower Town. Other cities such as Das and Das had fire altars. Refer page number 25 in the content book. Write any 3 points about houses, drains and streets. To be continued in video 2. Thank you children. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep watching.